Meaning land of the gazelle in Arabic, Abu Dhabi could be your next favorite destination in the region. Nestled in luxury, the capital of the United Arab Emirates is a cosmopolitan city that also offers a vibrant heritage with many sites listed by UNESCO, beach activities and even wildlife. Bejan Dinshaw, country manager of Abu Dhabi Tourism, talks to MIG TV about the new tourism offers and other exciting events planned till next year. He also gives tips for all those planning a destination wedding or to shoot a movie in the idyllic landscapes that the Emirates has to offer.
I think the main USP of Abu Dhabi, where leisure travel is concerned, is that it's a family destination. We have something or the other to offer everyone in the family. Like if you look at small kids, you have Warner Brothers World, Ferrari World, and experiences like that. Then for their parents, we offer a better experience. There is the Abu Dhabi Falcon Hospital, for example. I mean, it's a most fascinating education you can ever get when you go to this place. Other than that, there is Manarat Al Sadiyat, which is an exhibition of the origins of Abu Dhabi till now. Then you have Masdar City. Masdar, you see there are 3 zero carbon emission cities in the world. Masdar City is one of them. It has the world's largest solar farm. In fact, you can't take your vehicle inside. A battery operated car comes and takes you inside, and it's fascinating to see how people are doing research over there. Then for the elder, the next generation, we have things like the Louvre Abu Dhabi. Louvre Abu Dhabi is extremely unique. A lot of people think it's the similar thing which you have in Paris. It's not that. It is focused on the region. So you have a lot of artifacts from Middle East and even India over there. And it is really fascinating to see the exhibits, the paintings. You will need a day to go through that. And of course the architecture is most unique of the Louvre Abu Dhabi. Then for the next generation, you have the beaches to relax, and you have the wildlife. We have an island over there called Sir Banias Island. It is a natural wildlife reserve. So you see, you have things for everybody in the family. You want adventure, you want action, you want a sedentary kind of thing, you want children to enjoy themselves. It's all there. And the most unique part of the destination is it is 100% crime free. So you can have your children going to a park and they meeting you at a third point where you can meet the rest of the family and have lunch. I mean, it's perfect. If you start from now, you see we are right now winding down the year. In the third weekend of November, you'll have the F1. And the F1 is very unique because it is the last F1 of the year. So it spans over 2 days and it sort of ends the year in Abu Dhabi. After the F1, we have the food festival. You have different chefs having different expertise coming from all over the world to show off their skills. And it's a very, very unique thing. In fact, there are 2 or 3 Indian chefs who also go there, and after that will come the FIFA World Cup. Then after the FIFA World Cup will come the Special Olympics in January. Very, very unique Olympics. I mean, we are really looking forward to a lot with the Special Olympics. And after the Special Olympics is the AFC Football Championship. So, I mean, it's all going on. I mean, in fact, if you look at it, if you ask me, every month of the year, there is something or the other of an international event happening in Abu Dhabi. So you don't need to go anywhere else in the world. You can come to Abu Dhabi and witness that. We have done large groups from India. we were very happy to welcome a very leading car company have their annual convention in Abu Dhabi. And that was the highlight of it all this year in May. We had about 1,600 people. Similarly, we have pharma companies, then the white goods companies. We, at an average, I would say per month, we would be doing something like about 400, 450 people in various groups. But more interesting and more this segment which has shown a higher rate of growth than the others is weddings. And the weddings are simply loved by our stakeholders in Abu Dhabi, because if you look at a hotel, I mean, for 7 nights, the hotel is full. The Indian wedding takes it over. Like, they literally call it the big fat Indian wedding, because the difficult part happens after the wedding finishes and everybody goes back. Then your average room rate and occupancy goes plummeting down. But they just love it. I mean, in fact, it has geared up so much with the stakeholders that the stakeholders know exactly there is a mehndi ceremony. Then if it's a different kind of wedding and a different party, then they need a separate kitchen. So all this is geared up and they are very, very familiar with it all. As our interest towards movies, we have a separate unit called 2454. And at 2454, it's a one-stop shop. So if a producer wants to do a wedding in Abu Dhabi, all he needs to do is to go to 2454 and say, look, this is my script, this is my story. They check it out, they like it. Then he says that, okay, I need to do this, 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 this. So all the permissions, all the contracts, all the legal documents is all processed by 2454. It's a one-stop shop. Then we also incentivize them. That means if a producer wants to come and shoot a movie, depending on the duration and depending on their parameters, you can get up to something like a 20% cashback. Meaning at the end of it all, they calculate about, let's say, 10 or 20% of the investment and they pay that back.